the libraries. Access any type of assets a little bit more easier and faster. So we have a search field to find pretty much anything we need in a library. And we're in the current library now, but this arrow lets you swap between the Adobe stock or all libraries. You can create new library, name it, and insert any type of assets you might need. And it's also really good for perhaps working in teams or different projects with other people. For example, I have the Adobe Color 2021 here, just to see a bunch of different color themes or color theme palettes. To make it a bit easier to navigate, you can filter any options on this type of funnel icon and sort and group the assets together depending on your needs and preferences. For the icon to the right with a slash and 3 dots called Path, I will go into Graphics, get 2 assets here and press the folder icon in the right bottom, or right click choosing the new group from Selection. Group them as 1, then another 2 assets as well, and naming these Group 2. And throwing Group 2 into Group 1. If I now toggle the icon for Path and moving out of the previous tree view, there's slight difference in how they map and are presented. Perhaps nothing crazy revolutionary, but hey, at least it's there if you need it. We may also swap between the current grid view and list view. We are able to duplicate any items if needed or just delete them. Plus directly copy or move them into a new group or folder. With an item selected like this icon here, just right click and find Familiar in Adobe Stock if you want. Either drag the item directly to the project panel or just press Add to the project. Edit will be throwing us directly into the original software like the Illustrator for this icon. Add a description whenever you need to track yours or other people's assets. Especially since it's just quite easy to wonder sometimes why that they ended up in that place to begin with and what to actually do. Get info on any asset for a little bit more details if you want. Then any type of grouped asset is very easily ungrouped again. Finally, if you want to share any private assets, just hit the profile icon to the very top right, taking us directly into the Creative Cloud. Here we can choose any type of assets and sharing them on this blue bottom saying, well, in Swedish, dela, as in share in Swedish.